This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, all. Good morning. Welcome back. Yeah, we have started to Terraform, right? Yeah, yesterday I forwarded the document, right? Hope you tried that. All the TF scripts. You tried that, right? Anyone having any issues in that? Suresh, you sent some error, right, yesterday? You find out, you resolved that error? Yesterday you sent some error.
Yes, issue is.
Where that issue happened? What is the issue?
Actually, issue is when you are adding the users, IM user, that one we need to give the permissions to admin access.
Permission issues. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Permissions required for S3 bucket and VPC. So EC2 not required. EC2 don't need to provide any permissions. Only S3 bucket you need to provide full access and VPC also, right? So I'll show you today. A couple of things are there, right? I'll show you.
Okay.
Open this Terraform. Start this instance. LS here. So these are the this type Terraform. It is activated on Terraform. Now it is showing commands so that it is working fine. Clear the screen. Now, yesterday we work on EC2 creation, right? Using Terraform, we created EC2. Today, we create one S3 bucket and one VPC. After that, we'll move to advanced level. Okay. This VPC we completed yesterday. Sorry, EC2. So next one is S3 bucket. I want to create one S3 bucket using Terraform. So before that, I copy this access key secret key here in the script. This is also EC2, right? So this is S3 bucket. Just copy here. Secret key also you can copy, paste. Yeah. Now provider is AWS and access key, secret key, region, resource AWS S3 bucket. So bucket name. This is the bucket name. So if the bucket name is available, it will not create it, will give you error. So that is why I want to change this name. Giving this ACL, access control list private. By default, you can keep this. And the same name you can copy paste here also. Okay. And environment, if you want to give environment to tester, you can remove this. This is not mandatory. If you want to keep this, you can keep, or else you can remove this. Okay. Save this. Copy the script. mkdir s3. So go to s3 vi s3 dot tf. Open this, paste here. Yeah, this is the s3 script. Okay. Now escape, save and quit. Once you save this, go to IAM user. So we need to provide permissions on S3 bucket. Okay. We are using admin user here. For admin user, I want to provide S3 permissions. Open this user. EC to S3, already full access is available. So if you remove these permissions, what will happen? So he will not able to access the S3 bucket. When he perform S3 creation activity, so you will get some errors. Okay, that is why we need to give full permissions on S3 bucket. Right now, the permissions are available here. Right. So go back to TF script. Now we can initialize first. Okay. Command here is Terraform init. Now it is initialized. Next one is Terraform plan. Yeah, plan is nothing but it is a blueprint of your activity, right? Whatever activity you are going to perform, so that will show you here. Okay. Yeah, this is S3 bucket creation, AWS S3 bucket, and S3 bucket ACL private. This is the name, S3 bucket name, environment, test environment. Yeah, name here. Next one, plan, one to add. One to add means one instance, one resource we are going to add, right? 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Right. Now I want to apply Terraform apply. Yes. Now S3 bucket is created. So this is the ID, S3 bucket ID. Okay. So you can go and check here in the console. See here. This is our S3 bucket, right? So we just created. So using this ID, we can identify. So ID means it has taken name only, right? It has not created. Click on this once. It has not created any separate ID for this. It has created with the same name, right? Yeah. Now, once we create this, one TF state file will be created. If you check ls here, so this is the Terraform state file. If you want to read this file, cat terraform.tf state. So this is the Terraform state file. Right now, I want to destroy this. So once you destroy this TF state file will be gone. Gone means file will be there, but configurations will be gone. Okay, so command here is terraform destroy. Once you destroy, the bucket will be gone. Along with that bucket, this configuration also will be gone. This terraform spelling error. Terraform destroy. FORM, right? Terraform destroy. Now it is destroying. It is asking yes or no. Yes. Now it is destroyed. Now if you open that file, okay, Terraform state file is there. Cat terraform dot state tf state. Nothing is there, right? Instead of the Terraform state file. So that is why normally the state files we save in S3 buckets. Okay, we don't keep in local. So because this infrastructure is gone. If you want to recover that, or if you want to modify that anything, this file should be required, right? So in real time, normally using tf state file, we can check the configurations. We can modify the configurations. If there are multiple tf files in directory, then how can we choose for plan apply? Yes, good question. I'm thinking no one is asking this question. Okay, yeah. So multiple activities, for example, only one folder we are creating, only one server we are creating, right? But that is not recommended way. So if you want to perform multiple activities, it is not possible. This is basic level. Okay, yeah, your question is correct. Once complete this, we'll go to advanced level. In that you will see that. Sachin, okay? You got it right? Yeah. Next one is the VPC also we can perform. After that, we'll move to advanced level quickly. cd dot ls mkdir space VPC. In VPC, I'll show you small change here. Okay. Go to VPC, cd VPC. Yeah, I want to create one file here. vi vpc dot tf. Okay, in this I want to copy the script here. VPC script. This is VPC. Before that, I copy this access key, secret key, and paste here. Yeah. So now provider AWS. In place of AWS, you can give Azure or Google Cloud. Okay. Based on your platform, you can give that. And access key, secret key, region, resource, AWS VPC, resource VPC name, my VPC, CIDR block range, CIDR block range. This is the block range, and tags, currency dedicated one. If you want to select dedicated, or else you can give shade also. Okay, tags name is my VPC, curlys open, close, open, open, close, close. Yeah. Copy this script and paste into this file. Fine. Escape, save and quit. Now we can initialize this Terraform init. Where you want to create the region, you can specify. I selected US East 2. In that US East 2, I create VPC. If you give other region, you will go to other. Terraform init. Yeah, now it is initialized. Terraform plan. This is the plan. Right now we can apply Terraform apply. It will ask you, it is asking yes or no, you can give yes. Now it is created, VPC is created. This is the VPC ID 905, right? 1905. So go to VPC. Your VPCs. Click on your VPCs. This is our VPC, but it is in Mumbai region. That is why it is not showing. This is default one. Default VPC, right? So switch to Ohio. US system. This is our VPC, my VPC. So this is the ID. So we can compare with ID 1905, right? 1905, right? So this is the way we can create resources using Linux machine, Linux server. So now, if you want to destroy this resource, normally Terraform destroy we use, right? Sometimes what we will do, we give auto approve. Auto approve means without any intervention, it will directly delete. So auto approve, how can you apply? Command here is Terraform destroy space hyphen auto hyphen approve. If you give like this auto approve, so it will not ask anything. Directly it will terminate. It will remove. But it is very dangerous. In production environments, we should not give like this. Okay. If you give like this, what will happen? Without any manual intervention, it will directly remove. So if you get confirmation from the project approval and all, then you can apply this. Otherwise, the resource will be gone. Right? If the TF state is not available, you can't retrieve that. Okay. Enter. Now it will not ask anything. Directly remove. See here. Yes or no, nothing will be there, right? Fine. So this is the way from single server, single activities you can perform, right? Now we go to advanced level, which we use Visual Studio Code, or which we use Visual Studio Code. Is gone.
So once the TF file is created, how to move to S3 bucket?
One second. S3 bucket. See, it's gone, right? S3 bucket.
How the TF file can be moved to S3 bucket? Is there any command for that?
Which one? Can you come again? How the TF state file is removed?
No, we need to move the TF state file to S3 bucket state. We can't keep in local state. So how can we move that?
TF state file you want to remove. I could not understand. Can you come again clearly?
No, I want to move the TF state files to S3 buckets. In
S3
real
bucket.
scenario, you can't keep that in local, right?
I'll show you. Don't worry, I'll show you. Okay, TF state files how to save in S3 buckets is asking. Akhil asking. I'll show you that. That is bit advanced level. I'll show you. Okay. Fine. Now, అది కూడా చేద్దాం అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్లో ఉంటుంది. విల్ సీ దట్. ఓకే, సో అది కొన్నిసార్లు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది టెస్ట్ ల్యాబ్స్ లో, కానీ ఐ షో యూ దట్. ఓకే, ఫైన్. Yeah, next one is advanced level. I required one laptop, any one laptop. Okay, so I already installed in my laptop. That is why this is Visual Studio Code. First, we have to install Visual Studio Code. So, can anyone give control your laptop?
I will give the access.
Suresh, right? Yeah, I give you. I make it as a presenter. Yeah, you can take control and you can open your, share your desktop, your screen. Yes. Now I'll guide you, or else you can give me control.
Yeah, I'll give you. Yes, sir.
You give control, right? Fine. Download Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Click on this. See here, first one. Download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, and Windows. Click on this. Can you mute yourself, Suresh? I think.
Yeah, one second.
So now you can download this Windows version. Okay, so currently we are downloading into our Windows machine this Visual Studio Code. Okay, so click on this. Save this file. Yeah, now it is downloaded. So double click on this Visual Studio Code VS Code user setup, right? Double click on this. Your Windows is 64-bit, right, Suresh?
Yes, sir, 64-bit.
I accept this. Next. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Before that, create desktop icon. Select this. Click on next. Install. Now Visual Studio Code is installing in your desktop, in your laptop. Normally, this Visual Studio Code will be used by developers to develop the code. Okay, so we don't develop any code here. We execute some scripts using Visual Studio Code. Click on finish. See here. So this is Visual Studio Code. Next one is so we need to install some plugins. TERRAFORM plugins we have to install here. Okay. So this is the tab. So go to this tab, click on this, search here, Terraform. Select last tab here. 5 tabs are there right here. Last one, select this, and here you can give Terraform. Yeah, first one and the second one we have to install here. Terraform and HashiCorp Terraform. Click on this, install. Next one, double click on this, install. Installing. Done. So third one also we can install better. These 3 are enough. Okay. Double click on this. Install. Yeah, done. So we have installed 3 plugins here. Okay. Next one is we have to create one folder. Yeah, we can create one folder which is Terraform. Go to D drive. Other drive, you can use other drive. Okay, don't use C drive. You can use other drive, D drive or E drive, something. So create one folder here. Terraform. This is the Terraform folder. Next one, come back to Visual Studio Code, open File, open Folder, select folder. Open this, select. That's it. Okay. Now we have configured this Visual Studio Code. Next one is, I'll show you. Right. Second one is we have to install, we have to download Terraform into our laptop. First we download Visual Studio Code installed, right? Next Terraform we have to download into laptop, right? For which again go to browser. Download Terraform for Windows. Open this. So it is redirecting to terraform.io. Click on this. Download Terraform. Go down here. This is a Windows version, right? Double click on this 64-bit. Save this file. This saved. the zip file, right? So now you can copy this file and move to D drive. Paste here. Right click on this. Extract all. We are extracting all. Click on this. Where you want to extract? The same place. Extract all. Now it is extracted. So this is the extracted file. Open this. Copy this. Now what we will do here? In Terraform, we can copy this and paste this. Copy this and go to Terraform folder. Open this. In this, you can paste. Paste here. Okay, fine. Now, I want to configure Terraform here. So yesterday we configured in Linux server, right? Environment variables is set, right? So otherwise it will not work. We need to set environment variables. So for example, go to command prompt, just type cmd, give Terraform. It will give you error like this. Okay, cd dot dot cd dot dot. Just type Terraform. It will not anything. It will not show anything. It is not recognizing. So we need to set environment variables. That is why we need to go to first. We need to copy this path. This path we have to copy and go to search here environment variables. Search environment variables. See here environment variables. Click on this. Click on environment variables. Access coordinating, Suresh. So Panjay, so I'll guide you how to operate. Okay, click on environment variables. Click on environment variables. Yeah. Here, go down. Edit option is there, right? Edit.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on that. Don't close this once. Yeah. Close this. Go down here. 1 second. Yeah. So click on this. Go to bit upper. Go to bit upper. This. Any second one. No. Close that. So I want to see something above this. Variables are there, right? Above that, some tab will be there. Can you move to upper side? This. Yeah. Click on that. Stop here. Yeah. So one path is there, right? Edit that. Yeah. Click on new. Right? You just type. Yes. You can paste that and click on OK. Okay. Just type Terraform. Okay. 1 second.
Do we need to change the drive in that CMD because it's pointing to C, right?
No, not required. 1 second. Click on this environment variables. Search. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah, click on edit. Second down. Yeah. Click on that. Variable name. You can give variable name. Terraform. You can give the path. Okay. Apply. Okay. Yeah. Once you close and open this Visual Studio Code once, you can close and open. Close this. Close this. Close. X symbol is there. Right? Tom. Not that. Closing. You can close this. Yeah. Right. I'll take control. Okay. I'll show my screen quickly. I'll take control this. Share. I'm sharing.
Okay, sir.
Environment variables. We have to go here. And next one is click on edit. Not edit. You can select first this one. Edit this. This one. Create a new, and we can give the path. Also we give. Okay. So here top we have to give D column / Terraform and variable value Terraform. You can try that solutions. Can you give like this?
Yes, I'm trying. Yeah, still I'm getting same.
Same error you are getting, right? Can you share your screen once, Suresh? Can you close the command prompt and open once? Command prompt. Can you close and open once? Close this. Can you open now? Try now. Terraform. Just type Terraform. Not required. Not required. You can type. Now it is working, right? So once we configure that, we have to close command prompt and we have to close, right? So now it is working fine. So we have configured properly Terraform, right? Now can you close this command prompt and open Visual Studio? Give me control. Yeah. Now open this Visual Studio code. I open this. Fine. Now, so we have configured this, right? So Terraform, we configured this. Now what we will do? This is our Terraform, the path which we gave here, right? Now I want to create one folder here, which is EC2. Under this Terraform, I want to create one folder. Click on this. This is EC2. EC2. Under this path, I want to create one file which is main.tf. Main.tf. Okay. See here, it is showing Terraform symbol. Why it is showing? Because we have installed plugins, right? So now, so in this main.tf, we have to configure, we have to copy paste our script, whatever script, EC2-user. Can you copy, Suresh, that EC2 script which we prepared yesterday? Copy paste here. That access key, secret key, you already modified, right? If you're not modified, you can modify quickly and you can copy paste. Yeah, access key, secret key is correct case, right? You are using here.
Yes, yes.
Right. Yeah. Now, once you copy paste here, you can go and save this. Click on File, save this. Now we have to execute this. Okay. Go to Terminal. Click on Terminal. Open new terminal. This is the terminal to execute this. Right. Now, so we are in D drive Terraform, right? So again, we have to go to EC2, CD, EC2. Now we can execute Terraform init. EC2 Terraform init. It is giving error, right? Why it is giving error? So Terraform init. Now it is initializing. We haven't moved to that folder, that is why it gave error. Now it is initialized. So first time it will take some time to set the plugins. Next time it will not take much time. Terraform plan. Plan it is showing error config provider AWS provider error. Validating provider credentials. Calling security token. Yeah. Your access key secret key is not working, Suresh. Access key secret key should be modified. So proper key we have to give. You can check once. Go to IAM user. Go to IAM user. Yeah. You can generate one more key, new key. Go to security credentials. No, security credentials. Yeah, go down. Create. Yeah, create. Copy that. This script you can copy here. Paste here. Okay, click on save this. So once you save this, Terraform init, Terraform plan, now it is showing plan, right? One to end. Terraform apply. Now it is asking yes or no, right? Give yes. Now it is executing, right? Yeah. So perfectly working. So few more configurations are there. Tomorrow we'll configure. Few more things are there. Okay. Tomorrow we'll download AWS CLI. AWS CLI you can download. You can configure. Why we require AWS CLI? I'll show you. I'll explain you tomorrow. So now it is working fine up to here. You can configure in your system, everyone, so that from tomorrow we'll start working on some activities, different activities. Multiple resources, how to create. So till now we created one instance, one resource. So from now onwards, we'll create multiple resources. 10 servers at a time we can create. Okay. VPCs, subnets, gateways we can create at a time. Like that, we can perform multiple activities. So you can configure this Visual Studio, and also you can set environment variable for Terraform so that we can work on different activities from tomorrow. Terraform destroying Terraform. Mr. is destroying. Yes, destroying. Yeah, it's done. Destroyed, right? So up to here you can prepare the setup. Okay, tomorrow we'll work on different things. Tomorrow we have few more configurations. Once configure that, we'll work on different things. Okay. Fine. Any questions, anyone? Fine. So we stop here for today. Thank you all.